In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a handwritten signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is perfect for adding a personal touch to your digital documents, whether it's for a contract, a formal letter, or any other important paperwork. We'll go step by step, ensuring you can easily replicate this process on your own. First, let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once the program is open, direct your attention to the See All Tools option. Give it a click and from the list of tools, select Create a PDF. This is an important first step because we want to begin with a blank canvas. After selecting Create a PDF, you'll see an option to choose a blank page. Select this option and then click on Create. This action sets up a fresh blank PDF document, which will serve as our workspace for crafting the signature. Now focus your eyes on the top toolbar. Here you'll find the e-sign tool. Click on it, and within the resulting menu, you'll need to select Add Signature. It's crucial to note that Adobe Acrobat offers flexibility in how signatures can be added, so let's explore the options briefly. When prompted, you'll see three choices for adding a signature: type, draw, and image. But for this demonstration, let's aim to replicate that authentic handwritten look. So we'll go with the draw option. By selecting this, we can create a signature as unique as your handwriting. With your mouse in hand, it's time to channel your inner artist. Draw your signature directly onto the canvas. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time, you can try a few variations until you're happy with the result. Once you're satisfied, click Apply. This commits your drawn signature, making it ready to be placed on the document. Next, simply click on your blank document to paste the newly created signature. You'll notice a box around your signature, which can be manipulated. Feel free to resize it according to your preference by dragging the edges. Aim for a size that feels natural and readable. Now, to ensure your signature is neatly cropped and focused, look back to the top toolbar and click on Edit. From the drop-down, select Crop, then carefully outline your signature. When you're satisfied with the crop, press Enter. You might see a dialog box labeled Set Page Boxes appear. Simply click OK to finalize your adjustment. Lastly, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, click on Menu, and from there select Save. This step is vital to ensure all your hard work is secured. And there you have it. You've created a handwritten signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, ready to be used in all your future documents. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was both informative and easy to understand.